Cost to repair. Cost per breakdown. Direct cost of repair, including cost of removing the broken part, disposing of it, replacement part cost, and cost of installation and testing. Cost of lost production, including lost profits from lost production, cost of scrap materials, impact of the repair on product quality, and miscellaneous costs. Collateral cost including environmental cleanup, occupational health and safety costs, legal costs. One-time cost. Cost of inventorying spares related to the repair. Ongoing costs. Impact of repair on product quality and production capacity, and maintenance costs over the remaining service life.